Just picked up this Tahoe, black Z71, 145,000 miles. We're gonna resurrect it to its glory days. Have the body shop fix that up. Third row, DVD, sunroof, even got factory nav. Some of the typical stuff these older GMT 800s show. Saggy headliner. We've got a service 4-wheel drive and a blinking check engine light. I already know it's got a misfire, so we're going to go through and diagnose that. AC and everything surprisingly is cold. Ripping the seat right there. Just missed that. It's just been sitting in the driveway. Again, this is my first video on these, so of course those faded jumps out of there. Just finished the first wash down. Big walk around. It's just dirty. Stained carpet. All the odds and ends here and there. Take them off all together. Figure that out as we go. On to the next.